What's up? This is Scotty here with Southern Off-Road. We got a 2025 U4 600. I did a little build on an upfit before the customer picks it up. I did a 2-inch suspension lift, set of the 28-inch BFG tires on some of the ITP SS wheels. Get you a shot of that bracket suspension lift. Some custom brackets mounted underneath the mirror mount for some rigid LED lights in the front. Got a RAD Accessories windshield, rough country sound bar, the lighted whips. Got some mounts for the rock lights here. There's several rock lights on this thing. I think there's 8 total. Give you a shot of that lift kit bracket in the rear. Love the way this thing turned out. Another set of the rock lights there. The customer also brought us a little horn kit to put on. Definitely louder than any of the factory ones. Another side of that bracket for the rock lights. It could be lit up at night. Love the way this thing turned out. I think it looks great. Get a full shot of it right there. 2025 U4 600. Oh, also too, with the tires and wheels, we did a Team MSC clutch kit to make sure that we had long belt life and plenty of belt engagement when taking off when we added those larger tires and wheels.